Hi everyone and welcome back to Joe's Morning Report. Charles Prices on Wednesday the 6th of July with me, Rich Poe, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Moving on to cable. And we've got a downside break on cable. We had this sort of consolidation phase for about a week, but now we've sort of broken clear of that once again. I'd sort of talk about the next downside targets really because cable's at a 31-year low, so there is basically no technical support whatsoever. So you would sort of talk about where's the next downside target. Well, if this is a bear flag or a bear pennant, I suppose you'd argue, does that mean you measure that downside and project it lower from the rebound high? Well, that downside is 19 big ticks, or 1900 pips. I mean, it's just incredible. And you measure that down from sort of 35, 33. That gives you sort of $1.16, $1.17 area. I mean, it's just ridiculous. If that is the case, and you look at sort of the momentum indicators, they're just incredibly bearish, aren't they? The RSI falling below 30. In January, it got to 15. So if this is the beginning of another trending move, it could just get just ridiculously low. Momentum on the MACD lines negative, stochastics negative. It's just so bearish you couldn't even think about how. I'm sort of lost for words really. But yeah, so any sort of rebound is a chance to sell, and we've had a rebound overnight. We've had on the sort of daily bar already, we've had 230, 240 ticks, and you've rebounded intraday from that low already. So is this a rebound to sell into? I would say probably yes. I'd certainly be looking out for that. So we've had this rebound, marginal sort of bull hammer candle, you could argue, but again, look at this. Put a crosshair bang on 130 big figure. Initially provided some support yesterday, but then broke and is initially provided resistance. So 130 is clearly a level that the market is looking at. Obviously it would be, because it's a psychological level. Above that, you'd sort of look at 130.60, which is a marginal sort of rebound high. But to be honest, I think any sort of breakdown level is selling pressure is going to continue, and any rebound is a chance to sell. 31.18 is the old low. Sort of 31.05 on the crosshair, but 31.18 is the old low, which is this level here. And that again is a resistance area. So if you get the opportunity to, I'd use that as a chance to sell. But sterling volatility is still very high, so exactly what you do with your stops is the big issue. Because do you sort of play wide stops? Do you sort of have tight stops? It's a very difficult one to argue and to justify which way to do it, because the volatility is so high. It could certainly once the direction starts to go, it could really go again. But just be careful of this little minor rebound that we've got. So I hope that helps you. But I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today. It certainly looks bearish. Selling into strength is what I expect. Anyway, I wish you good luck, and I'll speak to you later.